All right, y'all, it's shiner time. Rolling up to our favorite shiner spot. Got my net ready. Lorenzo at the helm. We're gonna throw some oats and get it rolling, baby. All right, yeah, neutral. Give it a little reverse. Oh, springtime shiners everywhere, bro. Yeah. All right, right there. Okay. All right, neutral. Neutral. All right, it might take a minute or two to get the shiners worked up. So throw some oats. Might throw a little bit of bread. All right, the shiners are hitting up ahead. Has nothing to do with our bread or oats. So throw some bread. Oh, look at that. Come on. Those might be mine cichlids. 8-foot net. All right, guys. Left hand. About 2 feet down. I have another 2 feet down. I'll loop it. That's about waist high for me. I grab.
Just cast. I had to hold down.
You think? Put one up here in my left hand. 2. They're hitting up ahead.
Let me go up ahead a little bit.
Yeah. One in the mouth. There we go, guys. A little bit more, little bit more, little bit more, little bit more. Okay, here we go. Pancake all day, baby. Reverse, reverse, reverse. I see gold. I need reverse, buddy. We need to get reversed.
Okay.
Yep. Oh yeah. Oh, one just jumped out. Okay. Okay.
Do you think that works?
It did work. Okay.
2? That's it? Oh, there's one more.
There's at least a spring timer.
Yeah. I could think that is.
If there weren't so many shiners, I would keep you. A couple spring timers.
Dude, that's so cool.
Springtime is back, dude.
Finally.
It's spring, guys. Check it out.
You know what
We got mommy and we got baby.
Dude, do you know what this means?
What?
We're gonna be outside in the backyard a lot.
Good. I want to see you make some content for me, son. That was a lot of work for 3 baits. Let's get them going again. Yeah. Let's try. Oops. Not a pancake. Reverse. Oh yeah. Okay, we got a bunch. Let's try and get this in.
Oh, that works.
Okay, guys. That's better. They're down in the weeds. Oh yeah. I got at least a dozen in that cast. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 2 springies. Springtime babies, baby. Lorenzo loves the springtime shiners, guys. Silver side. Need to guide it to silver side. Oops. I think that's it. I got some oats, and what I'm doing is I'm putting it in the water, getting them wet, so when I throw them, they stay all in the same spot and they sink. The shiners come, but the oats sink down into the grass, so you don't really see them on top. The shiners on top, but if you give it a few minutes and then you just cast, they should be there if shiners are in the area. So watching to see if they pop through the sinking oats. All right, reverse. No, not good. That didn't work. Hey, I'm gonna throw a clump right there. Just let it sink a little bit. Okay, you say so. I got one shiner.
None?
I got one. Okay, guys, we're switching up our tactic. They stopped coming to the bread and the oats, so now we're just going to go blind cast for shiners, or not blind cast, but actually sight cast, and see if we can see schools of them, which is going to take some good reaction time because we are moving. Where? Yeah, that's been there. We actually just caught about 2 dozen. Oh, there's a big one. I'm gonna get ready because you have to throw pretty quick, and when it's cloudy it makes it more difficult.
Okay, let's see. Dogs.
It's a lot easier with the sun. When it's cloudy. Okay, I just saw, oh, bad cast.
What did you see?
I saw school shiners.
Green shiners?
No, the big ones.
Oh, you got
I got some. Back up, bro. Okay. This is definitely a
it
2.
came out.
Did it?
One came out.
One came out. All right. That was an awful cast, by the way. But I still managed to get one big dog.
You would have had 2, but
Okay. Tilapia. Or mullet. I think they're big mullet. Oh, what the? Okay, I'm starting to see them. Dude, they're tiny.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I got a couple. Oh, I got some springies, dude. Springies.
Finally, that's what we needed.
Get him out of the net quick. Okay.
That's what we needed.
Alright. You neutral?
Yeah.
Alright guys, these are the springtime shiners we keep talking about. See how small they are?
Those are perfect chum size.
Yeah.
Baby bass.
Huh?
Baby bass.
Baby bass?
Yeah.
Dude, look at that. Oh, look at the bait. Shiners jump.
1x4.
Okay. What do you think, Lorenzo?
I think we can just go up this because the sun is out.
Yep. Okay. Let's try. We got a few more in here. They got gilled.